Welcome to a new destination in Salisbury, North Carolina. This will be the new home for Heart of Salisbury. We are formerly known as Heart of Yoga Salisbury, but we're changing our name to accommodate all the programs that will happen in this space. We will have a retail space, a teaching kitchen for healthy cooking for adults and children, 2 yoga spaces, a wellness wing with professionals in the fields of counseling, psychology, reflexology, and massage therapy, as well as art exhibits throughout our building. You are welcome to come check out all that's within the Heart of Salisbury. In this project, we had 3 goals. We really wanted to focus on historic preservation, rehabilitation of an existing building, and repurposing of materials. So as you can see, we actually have the lockers that belong to the bakery. This is an old bakery building, and this is where the employees kept their belongings throughout the day. We will repurpose this as the lockers for our yoga studio. In practicing historic preservation, we have paid very close attention to important elements to the space, one of them being this beautiful maple floor that used to be part of the bakery. We have taken very precious care with the floor, and every single piece that has been taken from small spaces is being reutilized to patch this floor. Another thing we're also doing is preserving the tile of the space, because this was one of the main features of the bakery. As you can see, the tile is very sturdy. It's at least 1 inch thick, and so is the flooring. We can't wait to show you our finished space and let you meet our wonderful yoga, wellness, and arts professionals at Heart of Salisbury.